My name is Kyonna Springer. We are Data Visualization 625, and today we're going to be covering some data in a baker's setting. So some quick definitions. Confidence measures how likely a user is to interact with item B, considering that they've already interacted with item A. Lift, we're going to focus on a lift of 1.0 or higher, just indicating that there is a positive association between a user interacting with a recommended item because they interacted with something else. Support measures how frequently a particular item combination or behavior occurs in our data set, and it tells you how common a pair of items are purchased together. So like I said, we're going to cover the overall data in reference to this baker's market. So I just have it drilled down so we can break down the most popular items down to the least popular, i.e. the number of purchases. Today we will be specifically focusing on Media Luna, which is a croissant type item. So what we have here in our Tableau software program here is we have all the rules that are broken down so we can tell what customers are more likely to buy based on those three things: the confidence, support, and lift measures. So for example, bread, we have a lift of 0.5, so that's kind of weak, but it's indicating that sometimes if you buy bread, then you're going to buy coffee after that. So let's drill down even more into the Media Luna specifically. I made a trend line just to see what sales are looking like over the past few years. So from 2016 to when this data set ended in 17, there's an overall decrease in the sales. So what we'd like to do is figure out how to boost those sales and get those out the door quicker. So we can tell here the hours of the day that Media Luna is most likely being sold is at 10 in the morning, in between, let's call it 9 and 11, but 10 specifically, we want to really drill down and focus on the customers that are buying this and try to encourage that behavior. So here I filtered out all of the lift values of 1 and below because we just want to look at the stronger ones. So we can tell here that this has a lift of 3. So chances are if a customer is buying farmhouse and coffee, they're going to purchase a Media Luna. So some of the recommendations that we can do here is bundling and making a almost discount for these two items. And so we can create a small combo just to reduce the price a little bit without reducing the overall price and losing out on money on just one of the items. Another one is we can do a add-on and put signs and things that encourage the user to purchase Media Luna whenever they're buy the coffee already. The final tactic is just offering coupons on the Media Luna when the customer buys coffee, and this just encourages almost like reward-like behavior so that the customer is more likely to purchase that in the future. Thank you so much.